lovelies, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And in today's video we are going to be reviewing and doing a set with the new Makartt glitter polygel set. So I actually bought the two. There's like that blue and that matte blue and pink ombre set kit that was in the background then, and there's also these pearlescent mermaid polygels. So again, as you know, I always buy my Makartt products off of AliExpress. These come within 10 days. They were really fast and they were quite cheap. I think the one kit was 30 and then this kit was £15. So that's really, really good in my opinion. Actually, I think the other kit wasn't even 30. I think it was something like £26 and this was like 14. I had like, you can get codes on AliExpress. So yeah, they're really good. Not codes, coupons. So you do get money off. So I am going to be swatching now. So these are all, the first ones I'm swatching are the pearlescent mermaid ones. So the first one is 901 and it's this lush white iridescent shimmer. I think it's iridescent. Is that what you call iridescent? I don't know. I'm losing my marbles. This is 902 and it's a light pink sort of iridescent chrome, and then the other one then is like a peach nude sort of colour, and again it's 903 I believe. So they're 15ml each and they all come sealed. That's for the other kit as well. So now we are going to be moving on to this kit here, and I absolutely love the packaging. Makartt's really stepped up their game on packaging. Like their packaging was great before, but now it's even better. Like they're doing all these like beautiful like pastel pinks and purples and smoke effects sort of theme, and I love it. I'm here for it. I really, really am enjoying it. So this kit comes with a base coat and a top coat, and I'm just mesmerized by that matte ombre look. I think it's absolutely stunning. So of course they do come with jewel forms and the instructions, but we're just going to jump into the other pieces. So you get a base coat and a top coat, 100 to 180 grit file, your spear javelin tool, which is a brush and picker. And again, I was just like mesmerized by I just love it. I absolutely love this. If Makartt made all their packaging like this, like seriously, I'd be buying everything. And then it comes with your 15ml polygels, and these are of course the glitter polygels, but they're like glitter jellies. They're stunning. They're, of course, they will come sealed as well. And we are going to swatch them all, but I don't show you me swatching every single one. So this is 1261 and it's a lush silver in some glitter. And there are all the other colours. Did I show the bottles? I must have not shown the bottles, but I do show them through the video, so it's fine. So I am going to be using my extra XXL Gel X full cover tips. They're dupes from AliExpress. That was a mouthful. Try and say it that fast. I bet you guys can't. So I didn't prep my nail, but I will leave a video in the cards of me prepping my nail. And now I'm just applying a thin, even layer of base coat onto all of the nails. This is just to make sure that the product adheres to the nail and sticks. Of course, I buffed the nail as well because the base coat will stick better to a buff nail, and polygel and gel don't tend to stick to shiny surfaces. I can't speak tonight, what's wrong with me? So this kit does not come with slip solution, but you can use the base coat as slip solution, just do not get it on your skin. So I'm going in now with the pink at the tip, and basically what we're doing today is we're just doing a lot of ombre, and I wanted to use all of the glitter polygels to like create like a mermaid sort of sea ocean vibe, I guess. They didn't turn out as amazing as I'd want to. I think I went a bit over the top with the feathers on the pinky and the ring finger. I put the charms on thinking I could like overlap the polygel, but because I used one of the pearlescent ones, it kind of ruined the look a little bit. But it was still okay, and I loved the first three nails that I'd done, and I wish that I just stuck to that instead of like trying to go over the top, you know. I try and I over try. That's my problem, because I want to make sure that I give you guys great content, and of course sometimes yeah, I just go a little overboard. So we went in with the pink face, and now we're going in with the silver at the cuticle. Of course, I cured in between each layer. You should always cure, otherwise you're just gonna have like a big blobby mess, and they'll like blend in together. But you can marble them. That's what I was planning to do on the ring finger, but for some reason I changed my mind. I should have stuck to my first thought. Always go with your first thought and instinct. So before curing, I then pressed some gold seashells and little decals into the nail. They're called decals? No, they're called embellishments or charms. I'm going to call them charms because I'm going to forget embellishments in the next 10 seconds. So we just press some in. I also do use some pearl balls. I don't know why I'm laughing. I'm 5. I swear I'm 5. So then we go in with the blue on the index finger tip, and we, of course, pattern mold it into place. Again, you guys, you don't have to be perfect with your application because you can always go in and file it after. The only reason I try to be very precise when I'm doing my application is purely because I tend to not prep my nails so that I can pop my nails off so I can make more content. As you guys know, I repeat myself a lot. I'm sorry, I'm like a parrot, and I just call me Polly. Polly the nail enthusiast parrot. I don't know. So anyway, I totally lost my train of thought. So basically, you don't have to do it perfect, but because I do the peel off base coat and stuff, if I file too hard, the nails do come off very easily. And I do have a lot of questions about my peel off base coat. So basically, the peel off base coat is I put it on so that I can change my nails out as often as I want. And I like to do nails, I like to do designs, I like to do like show nails, and I just really enjoy doing nails in all. I'm not a professional, as many of you will know, but if any of you are new, you'll know that you might not know that I am not a professional. I just literally do this for fun and I enjoy it, and it's such a great hobby to have. So I'm losing my train of thought. See, I do this all the time. I talk about one thing, move to the next. I'm a great people person, would you believe? Because I don't stop talking. But yeah, so the peel off base coat, if you apply it to the whole nail within a day to 2, maybe 3 days max, usually it's 1 to 2 days, they'll pop off really easily. I think you can do the same with acrylic as well, but I'm not too sure. I think sometimes you might have to soak acrylic a little bit on the sides for it to like be easier access to get them off. But if you want your nails to last like a couple of extra days, my advice would generally be, if you want to put the peel off base coat on but you don't want them to last like weeks and weeks and weeks, basically only apply the peel off base coat to like the center and then the center of the free edge, and leave the side walls and the cuticle area without the peel off base coat. And then after a couple of days your nails will probably lift, or you can just soak them and then they'll be pop off really easily. But yeah, like I said, I just like to pop my nails off and do more nails in it, you know. Yeah. I used to wear nails all the time. Well, not all the time. I started doing nails in January, but I've been obsessed with nails since like late last year, well, late 2019. So yeah, the obsession's just grown. Sorry, I'm talking a lot about me, so let's get back to the nails. So basically I pressed some more gold charms into the wet purple polygel before curing, and now I'm on to the middle finger. So I done the tip silver, and then I went in with that lush pearl white colour, and this nail turned out really, really stunning. I absolutely love that pearl. I'm going to use it in another set, I think, another day. I might, when I can, order the Makartt pearlescent gel polishes and do a set with them. They'd be really good. But I did press in some more embellishments. Oh, I remembered the word. So I just pressed some more nail art into the nails there, and I forgot that I wasn't recording on this one here, but this is where I kind of go a bit wrong. I put that pearlescent on and I thought it was going to be like really nice, but I should have not put the charms on until after. So learn from my mistakes, guys. Always put your charms on after, not during, because this is quite an opaque sort of colour, and you'll see now that it looks a bit weird. and it just doesn't look great. But I try and make it work as best I can. And then the pinky, I do go in with the pink, and I am absolutely in love with these kits. I think they're great. Makartt finally come out with some glitter polygel, and we're all here for it. We've all been asking, but to be fair, Makartt are great with listening to their customers and to their clientele and listening to what we want. So you see what I mean about the ombre just didn't work well because the stones and all were there. I should have, yeah, learned from my mistakes. So then I put some pink onto the tip there, and then I cured, and then I went back in with the cuticle bead, and then I ruined it by putting these blimmin' feather leaf things. I should have just left it again. I was just trying to overdo it, and I just, there's a fine line, and you should just stop before you're ahead, but I didn't listen to myself. So basically I just wiped away all the sticky tacky layer, and then I filed, wiping away the dust after I have filed, and then I just go in with some top coat, and I kind of encapsulate the charms with top coat. Oh, that's my mask as well. Obviously I'm showing you that you should always wear a mask when filing. You don't want to inhale any of the dust off of the nails. I mean, nail product dust, don't inhale it. But yeah, other than that, guys, I put some cuticle oil on, and then I done the reveal. So like I said, I really was happy with the first 3 nails, and then the last 2 was like, what are you doing? Stop now. You need to just put the brush and your tools down and just cure and move on. But other than that, like, that was my fault. That was not this kit's fault, so do not blame this kit. Why would you blame this kit? That's such a stupid thing. Of course, if you want to file over the tops of your nails, I would suggest applying clay so that the ombre does not ruin. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I really, really do recommend these kits. I love Makartt, and they really do some amazing kits, and I'd highly recommend trying some of them. I do have a couple more kits coming. It's just I didn't have the time to, or the hands to keep recording and doing nails, you know. So yeah, I was like, right, okay, I'm done for the day. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed, guys. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below on what you think. Have you tried this kit out yet? And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and tag me in your nail creations. I'd love to see them. My Instagram is linked down below in the description box, but it is @swalesnails_beauty. Other than that, though, guys, I'm going to leave it here, and I'm gonna, yeah, love and leave you. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you're all staying safe. Keep on smiling, and I will see you all in the next one, guys. Bye!